Unboxing a vacuum cleaner. Fuck! The fucking cup fell down. Fucking shit. Hey, what's up, everybody? Today is a beautiful day, and right now I just woke up, and that's my bad. I'm so lazy to make it right now. I just boiled some water, made some warm water for myself, turn on the heater, and yeah, I think that's about it. I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and right now I'm getting myself ready, and then we're going to be going to the Ker Sound Studio, and I'm gonna take you guys with me to the Ker Sound Studio, and we're gonna take a look at how every film is doing. So totally there's gonna be 4 films, and I'm not going to show the whole thing. I'm just gonna be showing a little part of each film. I hope that's not against the rule. So yeah, so just that, and we're gonna go to the McDonald's to have some breakfast. Which means me and you guys, gonna go to the McDonald's and have some breakfast. So yeah. We're going to take the subway to Ker Sound, and it's gonna be a lot of people. So fuck, we're fucked. We're fucked. I like how the people in Game of Thrones say, we're fucked. We're fucked. We're fucked. We're fucked. I'm going back to Brunei on the 9th of February, and today is the 1st of February, and right now I have to start packing, and there's a lot of stuff that I have to pack because this time I kind of bought a lot of stuff to bring back to my Brunei folks out there. Not Brunei folks, my family members. What? Brunei folks? We're food. And the first thing that we're gonna bring back is, of course, my stuff and also other people's stuff. But most importantly is other people's stuff because they wanted it. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna bring back. I'm gonna switch my hand. No, not yet. So I'm gonna bring back this. This is from the pipe stuff. I bought this Q game. It's like it's kind of like Mafia, but it's got different characters, and yeah. And this is the Werewolf of Miller's Hollow. Oh yeah, we gonna play some games when we go back, eh? So yeah, and right here we got a few stuff that we need to bring back. Okay, let me take this. So we got this big ass box. I don't think we're gonna fit it in the fuck, it is really huge. So we got this bag, and I bought this bag for my dad. He wants a new bag, so this is a really cool bag. And then yeah, this is huge. And yeah, these are my socks. I got a lot of socks, so these are my socks. And this is a vacuum cleaner. As you can see here, it's a vacuum cleaner, and it's really huge. It's kind of heavy. I'm gonna open it and take a look if I can shove this inside the luggage. Holy shit, this is huge. This is huge. I'm not sure if this is kind of fit. Oh Look at this shit. It fits perfectly. It fits perfectly. What the fuck? Okay. Cool. That's one less problem to worry about. It's huge. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. That's my whole luggage. I still have a few half right there. Hopefully it's enough. Still have to bring this back. I hope it's enough. So just got down here. It's still up there, so so yeah, right now it's 7:30. Gonna be at the subway station around 8:30 in an hour, and it's a 20-minute walk to the subway station, and I gotta stop halfway to take breakfast in a McDonald's. So I better get dressed, and yep, we're gonna be on our way. I just bought this to go with my noodle over there. This is just noodle. It does not have anything, so you can put anything you like. It is noodle, and then you make your own broth and your own meat and for your own mushroom, and just throw in the soup. So yeah, and yeah, so let's get dressed and let's go. Okay, I think I'm ready. Got my mask and my hat, and let's go. Hey guys, I'm at McDonald's right now. So I got myself a crispy chicken muffin. I got myself 2 hash browns and black coffee. So I fucked up my napkins because after wearing the camera it was so dirty. My pockets was so dirty. So yeah. And I got 2 hash browns because I can, and crispy chicken muffin. It looked nice on the menu, so that's why I ordered it. So yeah, and I got black coffee, large. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm at this convenience store right now. Just got myself a passion fruit tea because the coffee was just too bad. I'm sorry, McDonald's is bad. So myself passion fruit tea and waiting for Alvaro and Jeremy. It's just right beside the subway station, so I'll just wait for them right here. Look, this is my view. Hey, what up, yo? Just got to the Ker Sound Studio, and right now we're in the lift. It's just kind of dark, and oh, we're here. So I just got out from the toilet because my stomach has been killing me for the whole morning and kind of ruined my day. And yeah, and right now we're just going to the Ker Sound Studio. That's the Ker Sound Studio. I don't think anyone is here yet. But we got Jeremy, Alvaro, Hodor, Nugren, and Lena. We're all here. We're just waiting for the sound guys. Oh, I think they're inside. So apparently they're all in the mixing room right now, and they can't hear the bell. So It's ready. Ker Sound. Ker Sound Studio. Ker Sound. Let's try the bell again. Hopefully somebody hears me. Well. Yeah. God damn it.
哎，先生，我们今儿不营业啊。哎，跟你说话呢。1班的新发布会是在这里吗？什么发布会？我们这空多长时间了？赶紧出去啊！
Hey, what up y'all? Just switched to the camera and yes, I'm back because my film was the second one, so after Mita I just got back and I switched to the camera because my GoPro, for some reason I forgot to switch it off, and right now it's out of battery, so I'm gonna use this. And we have some package to open. It's not here right now. I'm going down to take them, and yeah, let's open some package. Oh yeah, right here. It's right here. Oh fuck! Oh, almost fell. Cool. I guess I have to start charging my camera too. Yep. Let's open it. Got my knife right here. We're gonna start. So let's start with this one. Oh. It's my black hat cleaner. Next, card it here. Open it. Torchlight for my father. Food that I'm gonna bring back. Oh my god, this is huge. Food. One last one. You probably know what is this. Oh yes. That's it for the... Oh my god, I need to breathe. Oh shit. That's it for the stuffs. These are cool stuff, huh? Oh, focus. So yeah, gotta charge my camera. It's blinking red ever since I went down to take the package, so gotta charge up my camera and do some unboxing. Not really though, it's just torchlight and my Sony headphone. Yeah, charge the camera. Hey guys, so I just realized that you cannot check in battery into your luggage, and I just realized that this big thing this robot vacuum cleaner, it has battery inside. So you're gonna crack this motherfucker open, and we're gonna take out the battery. Hopefully it is not like fixed inside the robot, so we can just take out the battery, and then we can just put the battery in my backpack, and the rest of the stuff we're gonna ship it back using checking. Just got it open. Oh my god, a box within a box. What the fuck? Okay, so what's going on here? What is going on here? Okay, fuck, I gotta have to set this down. What the fuck? Okay. Heavy stuff. D-bot. No idea what this is. Put this thing away. We're gonna open this. Gonna open this bitch, and oh, let's see what's inside. What the fuck? I got it upside down. Okay, what is going on? Did we got it upside down? Oh no, no. What the fuck? I have no idea where to start. Okay, let's start from this one. The main body. The battery should be in here. Okay, so I guess the battery goes here. That's the battery. And yeah, so I don't think we have to mess with this stuff anymore. The battery is somewhere in the package. It's maybe here. Maybe it's right here. See, we got a compartment right here. Okay. I believe this is the charger. It has a plug. So this is the charger. Where is the battery, man? Little cup for refilling the water, because this robot can it does sweeping and mopping the floor at the same time. So this is a little cup for water. You can also make cake with this because it's got a measurement. Cool. Oh fuck. I just found the battery. Okay, I'll keep this in my backpack, and yeah. Unboxing a vacuum cleaner. Fuck. The fucking cup fell down. Fucking shit. I bought two 32 gigs micro SD. Not sure if it needed it. Not sure if my father needed it, because I bought this. This is it's like a security camera, and then you can put SD card inside, micro SD cards inside, and I bought this. It's just in case that he doesn't have a micro SD card, but as I recall, he has lots of these, so these are just in case. These are 32 gigs SanDisk Ultra micro SD card, so these are good. So my camera just gave up on me. It says card full. Like, card full? No, what the fuck, card full? It's a 16 gigs, 16 gig SanDisk Extreme. So I never really have a hard card full situation. That was my first time. I don't understand. But yes, I like SanDisk. So this is also SanDisk. Micro SD SanDisk. This SanDisk. And then I got a few more. Oh yeah, this is Kingston. 64 gig Kingston. So right now I'm also using another Kingston. It's also 64 gigs. Maybe SanDisk is too expensive. I don't know. SanDisk is really good and it's expensive. Kingston is a little bit cheaper, but I guess they kind of work the same. And I never got any problem from that SanDisk. And then, but sometimes the media write faster than the card Kingston, and I don't understand why. So that's about it. 2 SanDisk, 64 inch. I got 2 security camera. That's the one of the security camera, and another one is coming soon. Right now I'm just organizing everything, the things that I need to take back with me, and yeah, it's kind of messy here. And I just bought this cable. When I buy it, it says supports fast charge. It supports fast charge, but only up to 3A. And then my charger fast charge supports up to 4A. So it's a little bit slower, but it's got 3 heads, so that I don't have to change. Oh my god! So that I don't have to change the cable frequently. Focus. So yeah, so I got this micro USB for my new headset over here. It's a Sony WF-1000X. It's a Sony first truly wireless earbuds, and then it is also the first truly earbud with noise cancelling. And yeah, that's why I got it instead of the hear-on ear-on headphones, because they're huge and it's not very portable. Even though it's wireless, but it's not really that portable. But with these the delays are really really strong, so you won't be able to watch movies with this thing. So yeah, you won't be able to watch movie with this thing. Musics are okay, the noise cancelling are okay, and yeah, I think that is about it. But you cannot watch movie with these. If you want to watch movie with a wireless set headphone, you gotta get the hear-on headset. That is some good stuff, but that is expensive, and it has better latency. It's not. I don't think it's gonna have any delay. So well, we also gotta end this vlog right here. I know nothing much happened in this vlog. It's just few packages, vacuum cleaner, the sound studio, actually I didn't even show much of the sound studio. I'm very sorry about that, but I kinda show you what it is kinda like in a mix lab, in a mix room, so you get an idea of how the sound is being done in post-production. So many of you just know that what it's like to be in the shooting, and pre-production and post-production is very less to be exposed to out there. So if you have the chance, work with a professional crew in pre-production and also in the post-production, and that way you will learn a lot of stuff. So yeah, I just gotta end this vlog right here. I hope you guys have a good time. I had a good time. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.